When placing structural members into the weldment sketch, by default, they're placed on the center of the profile. If I don't want that, I can go back and edit it after the fact, or I can change it while I'm first setting it up. To edit it after the fact, like any SOLIDWORKS feature, come over to the tree or the feature itself in the graphics area, select it, and select Edit Feature. I'm just going to rotate around a bit so we can see the top of this sketch. And I can locate this sketch profile from any point on the sketch to the sketch entity itself. To change the location of the sketch profile, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select Locate Profile. And now I can choose any of these sketch points as I wish. In this case, I'm going to relocate the profile to this point, and I'll say OK. I'll just go back and fit this isometrically to the screen. And I'm going to do it again for this part. So I'm going to select the part, I'm going to tell it to edit the feature, then I'm going to come over here and scroll down. I'm going to select Locate Profile, and this time I'm going to choose up here on the part profile. I'll zoom out. So now this tube is sitting on top of this tube, and I'll accept that change. Again, all of this could have been done when I first selected the part profile.